Hello everyone. Welcome to this training session on statistical data analysis using SPSS. My name is Vamsidhar, and as a part of this session, I would be taking you through this one of the most important aspects of statistical analysis, which we call as one-way analysis of variance. In our previous sessions, when we talked about the t-tests, we were primarily focusing on either comparing the sample mean with a constant or comparing the means of two different populations or comparing the pairwise differences. Now, if I have more than two groups of data, and I want to compare the means of whether there is any significant difference in the means across the groups of data, across the various groups of data. If I want to find out whether there is any significant difference, I resort to this one-way analysis of variance procedure. So to test the hypothesis that the means are not significantly different, which means our null hypothesis will go as average of 1 equal to average of second group equal to average of third group, and so on. So here I am looking at multiple groups, whereas my alternate hypothesis always grows as no, there is a difference in at least one of the groups, at least one. So I am looking at there is a difference in at least one of the groups. That is what we are doing as a part of this ANOVA analysis testing. Along with that, this procedure of SPSS can even help me to do a plotting of the means of each of the groups, and also it can help me to do pairwise comparison. So A1 versus A2, is there any significant difference? A2 versus A3, is there any significant difference? A1 versus A3, is there any kind of significant difference? So such kind of contrasts and such kind of pairwise multiple comparisons can very well be done using this mechanism of analysis of variance. So in our example, I would like to see compare the mean blood pressure levels across the various smoking statuses. We have three smoking statuses. So I am looking at three groups of data. We have three smoking statuses. One is the never smoker, never smoked, occasional smoker, and even we had heavy smoker. So for these three groups, I want to see the blood pressure, which is the systolic blood pressure level. I want to see whether it is uniform across the three groups, or is there any kind of significant difference between the three. So for that, initially it even helped me to test out on the equality of the variances itself, whether the variances across the groups are equal or not. It's better for me to check out whether the variances across the groups are equal or not, because one of the major assumptions of this model is it assumes that the variances across the various groups of data is more or less uniform. One of the prime assumptions of this model is the variances across the group of data is more or less equal. That is one of the major assumptions. So I really need to check out before getting ahead into the comparison of the means. I should first check out for the homogeneity in the variances. That should be the first step before we actually implement the procedure of comparison of the means. So always keep that in mind. So the way we can check out, there is a statistical test, but at the same time You can also look at a graphical way of testing out on the variances. So let's look at that aspect. So getting into that aspect, I can look out for the chart, right? So let me look into it, the graphs chart builder, and I can very well go for